Culture, expression, and leadership. What Gabriela what was experiencing was a culture clash in expectation. She was used to a more hybrid hierarchical framework where the team leader and manager who control and give specific intro instruction on how things we to be done. This more direct management style worked well for her team in Brazil, but did not transfer well to her new team in Sweden. Howin, However, more used to a flatter hierarchy where decision making was more democratic. When Gabriela booked the use to her Swedish manager, rather shipping in the direction about what to do. Her manager book on the role of coach and focus on target her to come up with the grow coming up with own solution instead to social psychologists get of that use the concept of power direct right to describe how power distribute on how hierarchy perceive 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 in different culture in previous work environment. Gabriela was used to in high power district culture, distress culture, when power of out authority are respected and everyone has their rightful place. In such a culture, leader make the big discretion and are not often challenged. Challenger, challenged. Her Sweden team, however, were used to working in the flow power strike distance culture where subordination of work together with their boss to fit solution and making decision. Her leader acts as coach or mentor who uncontracts independent talks and expect to the challenger.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alvin Joba Enayagin. I am to reading in paragraph 3 and 4. When Gabriela became unsure of the calcular difference between here and her team took the infinitive to have an open conversation with them about their feelings about her leadership. Please to be asked for their talks. Giberia team openly expressed that they were not used to being told what to do. They enjoyed having more room for infinitive and creative freedom. When she told her team externally what they need them to do, they felt that she did trust them to do their job well. They realized that Gabriela was talking it personally when they tried to challenge or make changes to her decision, decision and where I'll be to explain that is what how then they always work with a better understanding of the under, underlying reason behind each other behavior. Gabriela and her team were able to adapt their way of working. Gabriela was then able to make adjustment to her management style so as to better fit the expectation of her team and more effectively motivated her team to affect their goals.
To be honest, I never experienced anything related to the text. I just read during my semester break. I took an internship at a architecture studio in Bantul. It was the aesthetic, aesthetic opposite of the textile use. There, everyone, everyone is give the freedom to things and the creative. Sometimes your superiors often invite to use discuss how to solve design problems and vice versa and vice versa. Thank you, sir.
So, and summary of the cultural experimentation and the leadership. I think Gabriela Pesquet culture shock in the Swed Swedia because here Brazil leadership style was to district mm, in the Swedia Thames perfect democratic and independent approach, so she had to adjust to motivation. Them is better, and I in the past I was a leader at my school as the head of head of the junior high school, maybe. Student organization by being stand by all the student at my school. So thank you.